Hey, just be cautious when you buy the VEVOR 18-liter air compressor. Pull out the drain plug. They're highly corroded, even brand new from the factory. And make sure to remove all the metal steel pellets that they use during the manufacturing process. They do not drain these tanks out, and there's still many up inside there. Otherwise, it's a great air compressor.
Started and run twice will not start with 20 pounds of air in it. Drain the petcock every night when you use a compressor. Have a 50-foot air hose. It is worthless.